Enforce demands. They're going to say yes. Why are they going to say yes? They are totally beaten. Yes. And hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is JpachoD, and today we're going to continue with Seachtain na Gaeilge. But our goal here is to create the Kingdom of Ireland. And tomorrow, being Paddy's Day, means we've only got 2 videos left, so we're really going to have to put our thumbs out of our arses. So, to do that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to hire some more mercenaries and declare war on these 2 places. So, what I'm going to do first, let's get a hold. You, what allies do you have? No allies, happy days. Which means, whoa, what the fuck is my mouse doing? This, right click, declare war, subjugation of Ireland, send. We are at war with Cork, and now we're going to declare war on you, declare war, subjugation of Ireland, right? And we're also going to hire, it's not intrigue, it's military. Military. We're going to hire the wolf tails. You're going to go here, and we're going to press play. And the wolf tails, we're going to head down here. Come on. When are you arriving? 21st of March? 27th of March. Yes, we're going to catch that army. Take them out. Market village has been built. We may as well build something else, because why not? Upgrade our holdings, give us the highest possible shizzle. Where was it built? Okay. We won the battle. Kind of knew it was going to happen. I'm going to go for a market village. More money. Going all over the place there. We'll build a hill fort as well. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Oh, hang on. You are going to 23rd, 18th. Happy days. Happy days. Yeah, kick their arses. Okie dokie. Oh, what happened to my voice there? Could declare war on Lagan as well. Military. Military! Go! Yeah, fuck it. Do you have any allies? No. Declare war. Subjugation of Ireland. We're doing this. It is going to happen. Send. Send. And then we're going to hire you. You're lagging. You're lagging behind. Oh, I know. Oh, walk, walk, walk. I left the door open, so it was making noise. Victory! Victory! We shall have victory! So we've almost won this one. Now, I'm kind of amazed this hasn't gone through yet. It's very odd indeed. Oh, where are you going? Connacht. Come on, go quicker. Lay siege. Release the siege ticks. I forgot about that. Going a bit closer. It'll load less graphics, and then, in theory, go quicker. Am I suffering attrition down here? No. Happy days. Yeah. Everything's coming up the mill house. Come on, you bastards. You bastards! Now we're gonna wipe out this army. Nice. And now we're gonna lay siege to Lagan. They just raised another 61 troops. I think we can deal with it, seeing as we have 2, 4, we've got 7,000 troops currently marching around the place. Yes. That's one siege down. Beware the siege ticks. Oh, poor Moira. Yep. Yeah, Moira. She had it coming. She was a witch. A witch! Make her way through Kildare. Come on there, lads. Come on there, lads. Now, what? Is there anyone unhappy with us at the moment? Oh, wait. Vassals. Opinions. Ooh. Send you some money. Oh. Okay. Let's switch you around again. Yeah, okay. You are going to get a lovely gift. Because I like you. I think. Oh, come on, lad. Come on there, lads. Come on there, lads. Come on there, lads. Oh, we've got... Oh, no, this one's finished. Offer peace. I'm going to have to enforce the bans here there, sir. Right. Can I... Ooh. Yep. Oh, what's this? New important decisions. Raise tribal army. Ah, God. I have 2 out of 3 holdings in Munster. Will I make... No, I'll wait for this siege tick to end. This siege to end before I go making Munster. And then I've just got Leinster with these 2. Meath with here, and Ulster there. So I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 provinces. Which is very good. We shall get it, I'm sure.